3D printing machines to level up your creations. Looking for the ultimate 3D printing machine to bring your ideas to life? From high-speed models to intricate detail specialists, we're exploring the top options for every project. Let's dive into your perfect match. If you're a cosplayer, prop maker, or just someone who loves working on a grand scale, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max might be your new best friend. This large format FDM printer offers a spacious build volume, perfect for printing oversized items. What sets it apart is its direct drive extruder, which allows for handling a range of filament types like PLA, ABS, and TPU, with temperatures reaching up to 260 Celsius. Imagine working on your next big cosplay piece and having the freedom to use the best material for the job. And with a top speed of 500 millimeters per second, it's no slouch. Though most users find the best results at a more practical 150 to 230 millimeters per second. The automatic bed leveling feature saves you time-consuming manual adjustments, and the textured PEI steel flex plate ensures your prints come off smoothly. Just keep in mind that this beast has a sizable footprint, so it needs ample desk space. It's priced around $569, often with discounts. If you're in it for big, quality prints and want something versatile, this could be your go-to. Next, meet the Qidi X Max 3. For those ready to take on more advanced printing projects, the Qidi X Max 3 offers a sturdy CoreXY setup with an enclosed design that's ideal for high-temperature materials. It's designed for precision and speed, supporting materials that require temps up to 350 Celsius, perfect for those looking to experiment with more challenging filaments. With a max speed of 600 millimeters per second and acceleration of up to 20,000 millimeters per second square, this printer handles detailed work with efficiency. The all-metal frame adds stability, reducing vibrations that can affect print quality. That said, it's bulky, and some users have mentioned initial manufacturing quirks. The plastic side panels may rattle a bit, but for around $1,100, it's a solid pick for enthusiasts or small businesses looking to work with high-temp materials. If your projects call for precision down to the finest detail, the Elegoo Saturn 3 Ultra could be the game changer you've been looking for. This MSLA printer comes equipped with a stunning 12K mono LCD screen, giving it an impressive resolution of 11,520 by 5,120 pixels. It's a dream for anyone who loves intricate designs, like miniatures or jewelry, as it captures every tiny detail. With a small build size, it's not the biggest on the market, but it's one of the sharpest. Plus, you have the convenience of Wi-Fi file transfers, making it easy to upload new projects. Just be prepared for a slightly technical setup process. Priced at around $499, it's an affordable choice for those looking for superb detail without breaking the bank. If you're new to 3D printing or simply want something reliable and easy to manage, the Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro is a fantastic option. This FDM printer blends affordability and functionality, supporting various filaments like PLA and PETG. Its direct drive extruder and automatic bed leveling makes setup a breeze, perfect for beginners who don't want a steep learning curve. One of the biggest perks here is the robust community support behind the Ender series, so finding help, mods, or resources is a cinch. However, its build volume is on the smaller side, so if you're looking for bigger prints, you may need an upgrade. For around $400 though, it's a solid entry point into the world of 3D printing. For those who prioritize speed and quality, the Bambu Lab X1C combines both in a highly efficient package. With speeds up to 500 millimeters per second, it's designed for high-volume projects and professionals needing quick turnarounds. The standout feature here is the automatic material system, which allows seamless multi-material printing, so switching filaments mid-project is no longer a hassle. On top of that, the Bambu Lab X1C comes with advanced tech like LiDAR scanning for enhanced print quality. However, with all these high-end features comes a higher price tag, around $1,200, and a slightly complex setup process. If you're serious about 3D printing though, this one's worth the investment. And hey, if you're still with us, give this video a thumbs up. After all, exploring the best tech deserves a little appreciation, right? If you want a high-speed printer but don't want to fuss with complex setups, the AnkerMake M5C finds the sweet spot for ease of use and performance. This FDM printer offers automatic bed leveling and can print up to 500 millimeters per second, which is great for users looking to complete projects quickly. The M5C's user interface is straightforward, making it ideal for hobbyists and professionals. However, the limited community support might be a downside if you're looking for resources or troubleshooting help. At around $600, it's a bit pricey for casual users, but for those who value both quality and efficiency, the investment could be worth it. When you're dealing with high-stakes, industrial-scale projects, the TriLab AzteQ Industrial is designed to deliver. This powerhouse supports a range of engineering-grade plastics, making it ideal for prototyping and production runs. It's built to last with robust construction that can withstand the demands of continuous use. The AzteQ offers a large build volume suited for big projects and is compatible with multiple materials, giving you flexibility in your output. However, all this functionality comes at a price, around $9,700. It also requires a solid grasp of 3D printing operations, so it's not the best for beginners. But for those in industrial settings, it's a reliable workhorse that won't let you down. With so many choices on the market, picking the perfect 3D printer comes down to your specific needs and budget. If you're a beginner, the Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro offers affordability and simplicity. For professionals or businesses needing high quality and fast printing, the Bambu Lab X1C and Qidi Max 3 bring serious efficiency and features to the table. Meanwhile, if you're creating intricate designs, the Elegoo Saturn 3 Ultra delivers unparalleled detail. So, there you have it. If this video helped narrow down your perfect pick, go ahead and hit that like button. Drop a comment to let us know what excites you most about 3D printing, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech recommendations. Let's turn those ideas into reality. Until next time.